How to fix your Gmail contacts not syncing in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. So there are a couple of reasons why you would be facing this problem. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection and try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data. If that is not the case, you want to simply go to settings, accounts, and Google and make sure that your contact sync is turned on. You can also try to tap on your Google account and then account sync and click on sync now manually. If that still doesn't work, you want to go to contacts.google.com and check the current label is selected, and you can simply try restarting your phone or computer and try again. If your application has any updates pending, simply go ahead and update it or check if there are any storage space available. If none of it works, simply try logging out and logging back in. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more problems, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.